is a part of test bowling. First, we will learn its grip. Index finger on the leather of the offside and the middle finger is on the seam and the thumb is beside the seam. At the time of release, our wrist and finger and the seam will be shown towards the back of the point by the position like this. Bowling action are of three types. We will judge it by our landing of foot and the arm to facing towards the batsman. Now we will talk about loading. In loading, this elbow will be pointing towards the ground and wrist is cocked towards the backward, and this wrist is in the line of making an axis to the shoulder. Loading and action drill at once. Drills for wrist work. Holding a hand and drill. Relief drill from one step bowling. Start. Running technique. For a runner, footstep in a shoulder width, body leaning, and movement of hand from shoulder to waist, making a elbow in 90 degrees. At the time of run up, the ball will be towards outside and doing like this. This is standing and movement of hand. Now walk and doing movement of hand. Now doing by jogging. Now run and walk. Length of a runner. In this, the bowler will be running from the bowling crease towards where he will do the ball and put a fielder there, and the bowler after running he will jump. At the landing of his front foot, the side fielder will be marked, and from there the bowler will be doing at least 24 balls, and each after 6 balls he will be taking for 4-minute rest, and this will continue. The 24 balls where it will be landing his front foot, and we will mark it by a chalk which is not visible to a bowler. After that we will take a meter and measure it. After that he will measure it with his feet, and that will be his length, and from there he will be doing the bowling. Due to rain in the ground, this video we are shooting in the hall.